Yeah, so it's just lowered. I got it.
Oh yeah, what kind of lowering kit did you get?
H&R.
H&R?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's Da Vinci?
Yeah, so it's just lowered. I got it.
Oh yeah, what kind of lowering kit did you get?
H&R.
H&R?
Yeah. And then mid muffler delete. I got the sprint booster, so throttle commander kind of thing. And then yeah, that's really it. A bunch of interior stuff. I bought
Yeah, it's all red and is it red or orange in there?
Yeah, a little red pinstriping, and then you put some carbon. It's fake carbon.
Yeah, that's fine. Whatever. Good.
Sorry, for a girl?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a lot better. What is yours, a 6.1?
No, 5.7.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know why it sounds so loud.
Yeah, why does yours sound so good? The Daytona. That's totally why.
Legendary.
Totally why.